Paano mo malaman if ready ka na bumili ng another property? Merong iba na minamaximize sila yung Pag-ibig housing loan. So which is up to 6 million yung kanilang pwedeng i-release or ipa-loan sa mga Pag-ibig members. Meron namang iba na kung meron silang cash, instead of paying cash sa yung property na isa, ang ginagawa nila is that they do a down payment here. They also do a down payment here. The rest will be mortgaged by the bank. So binabayaran nila on a monthly basis. The logic behind it is that over time, mas mataas pa rin yung value ng property compared to the interest na binayaran natin sa bangko. But personally, here's what we do. First, dapat meron na tayong emergency fund worth 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Kasi yung ayaw natin mangyari is that habang nagbabayad tayo ng property tapos may emergencies na mangyari, i-stop natin yung payment sa property kasi nga, i-allocate natin yung funds papunta sa emergencies. Sayang yung opportunity na binayaran mo doon sa property at baka hindi na rin ma-refund yung perang binayaran mo. Second is, at least kaya natin bayaran yung 20% down payment of the property. Usually kasi guys, if you're going to buy a land or a house and lot, yung i-finance ng bangko is around 60 to 80%. You should be able to shell out 20 to 40% of the property. And sometimes, yung appraisal value nila ay mas mababa compared to the selling price of the seller. Yung difference nun, saan yung magagaling? Sa perang pinag-ipunan mo. Therefore, at least man lang, meron kang investment fund na kaya mong bayaran between 20 to 40% of the value of the property. Paano mo ba malaman if ready ka na bumili ng another property? Share mo sa comment section.